Okie dokie, everybody. These are 10 B1 adjectives to use to describe Benedict Cumberbatch. Here we go. Number one, talented. He's so talented. He has a lot of talents, a lot of skills. Number two, he's charismatic. Everybody loves to talk to him. Everybody loves to be with him. So he's a charismatic person. Number three, he is charming. Look at the pictures. Come on. Look at these pictures. He isn't charming. He's not beautiful. He is. He really is. He really is. I'm telling you. Number five, he's engaging. He can engage people when they are talking to them. For example, when he's talking to me, I'm engaged with him talking like, oh my God, he has a lot of knowledge. He knows a lot of things. I'm engaged. I want to talk to him more. Number five, he's versatile. He's versatile. Repeat after me. Versatile. Number six, he is expressive. He's expressive. He expresses his feelings. He tells people what he feels. That's so good. That's positive adjective. Number seven, he's accomplished. He's accomplished. He has accomplished and he has reached his goals in his life. He has got whatever he wanted in his life. He has his wife, he has his children, I'm not sure actually. And he has his certificates from the greatest university in the world. He has played in greatest roles. So he is accomplished. Number eight, he's endearing. He's endearing. He endeavors to do things. He encourages. He's brave. He's brave. So I want you to do two things for me. Number one, if you don't remember the vocabs I told you, or the meanings I told you, or even the pronunciations, check the comments below, check the description below. And number two, please give me two more adjectives to describe Benedict Cumberbatch. If you did not know these adjectives that I told you, you are I'm pretty sure that you're not in a B1 level, so you have to study more. What you should do is you should subscribe to my channel and watch more videos and practice more. Make sentences with adjectives, make sentences more, search more, learn vocabularies to get to the B1 level. If you want to be a B1 level student, follow for more.